Yellow, yellow. Hello, yellow. Okay, they're working fine. Hey, Ritu Parna, welcome to the stream. You came in early, man. I didn't even start my bot yet, but you're out. You're up already. Interesting. So today, I have an old project which kind of works fine, but I would like to distribute it so that it would just work. So got a notification. That's nice. I thought YouTube is not working, and it's not going to give me my, what do you call it? It's not going to consider my channel as an important channel. That's why I thought, oh, even I got notification. Normally I would not. So yesterday I realized that speak command and some of the other commands were not working. So I would like to see what happened. They worked fine after I moved back to Windows. Looks like something else is missed. Speak hello.
At Banecodes says,
I
hello.
That kind of works fine. Okay. Then let's do something else. That works fine too. So no worries. How much does your PC cost? Uh, so my exact price would obviously be different. So I got a 3080 for like $250, and then I got my motherboard, my RAMs, my CPU, an SSD, and a power supply for 450. So relatively, it's a cheaper PC. So I'm not going to upgrade it anytime soon. So my first PC I got for 1,10,000 in India. It was Intel 8700K and 1070. I'm still using that for my streaming as well as a server PC. The gaming PC is 13600K and 3080. I have four displays. One is out of them. It's a 4K monitor, a big one. The other one is currently connected to streaming PC. The two, or we can say the monitor, bigger monitor, the 4K monitor, and the gaming monitor, and the one given by my work. So these three are connected to my gaming PC. Cool. I have a detailed description, much more if you want to. Go to my blog. No, not really. So I got my first PC in what, 2018. I got the exact same parts to the US. I'm using the same mouse pad. I'm using the same headphones. These I got in 2019. I'm still using them. What else? This is my primary monitor. Is mine. The one which I bought for $90, gaming, IPS 165Hz. The other two were given by work, so I just use them. The other one is one of my friends. He's not using it, so I just took it so that I have a 4K bigger screen. What else? Yeah, this gaming mouse is like what, $12, I guess. Yeah, I'm I'm using a bulb with covered with a wire. Sorry, with a plastic wire cover, so that it acts as a softbox. I still have this keyboard, anti sports. This is the first mechanical keyboard. I still have it. I got it in India. I carried it all over to the US. So this is like collecting eventually step by step. It's not like one time investment. It's just, yeah, small things we buy at deals or holidays. I got three keyboards, by the way. Oh, I didn't have the light thing. Maybe I should add it now. Hmm. I do have a mirrorless camera, M50. I got it in India after I got my first job. So I saved up some money and I got it. So now you might be thinking it's pretty basic. So yeah, reality. I see the commands are working fine. I don't know, for some reason yesterday they didn't work. I forgot to change my resolution to something. Second, people. It's fine. Let it be. Okay. So what are we doing today? So I had an old project I would like to revive, but with a different style. Oh, I don't have the repository. Nice. This is the one. 4 months ago. I don't know if I have any of those. Fine. So the problem now is I would like to. What not working? It is working. It is working. You can see I tried using my GIF command. That worked fine. It works. Oh, I'm pressing Control Alt T to open the terminal.
At Rituparna says,
Hey, that
Hiway.
works, isn't it? Is it not working or is it work? Is it? I see the animation. I see your logo and stuff like those. So that means it's definitely working. Let me clone my other repository. I'm trying to open the terminal, but it's stuck. It's working now. Hey, it worked before too, man. Git clone this one. Clone it, please. So the previous architecture was a bit different. Now things are going to be a little bit different. So the backend, I don't want to host something. We definitely need Python to generate images. That's fine. And then comes the front end. Front end is basically that's one. So I need completely offloading. I don't want to use my backend something. Let's say I would like to use a hosted service to generate the deals, but I don't want to use that as. That means I need to maintain database in the cloud. I need to have a server in the cloud. Do I need a server? Do I need a server in the first place? Neon DB and React. Can I connect them directly so that I don't need a server in the first place? Using the following React Meta frameworks, you can easily configure a server-side connection. I don't want to. Without a server, can I have a React application directly connect to a cloud free database? If I don't have a backend, then that would be really helpful. No, a traditional SQL or directly should not expose. Okay. You can use Firebase or Superbase. Oh, oh, that's fine then. Yeah. Come on, man. I'm trying to sit a bit comfortably. Okay. Superbase or Firebase, nice. And host, what is this? Postgres, something. I don't really know what structure I have. Was I using which one was I using? DB. I don't see DB. Did I just not include my database? Firebase is pretty good. I'm not going to like use a paid service. I would like to be completely free. All I need is just a database, and I need to write it, and I need to fetch from it. That's it. And of course, if it can act as a backend, then that would be great. Oh, I did work with Firebase database as well as the storage. It works fine, no issues. It's just Google things. We never know when the rules change. So maybe I might try the Superbase. You know what? I always wanted to try this one. Like new profiles. What is this thing? This is original profile. Can I have like the same Gmail with a different profile so that I can use that for streaming? Let's try it. But I don't want to mix them. That's the thing. I don't want my backend to be on local. So I'm using a React application. So I need something which is off local. I would be using the Golang and Python combination in my local server, but that's only for generating deals. It would generate the deal and it would upload it to the cloud database, and that's it. No more complications. Firefox profiles with same email. Firebase should be your best bet right now. Don't think much. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I would like just like to try this for one time. One second. If I can create a new profile with the same email, that would be wonderful. Don't want to. Oh, yeah, it says it can only associate account with one. So maybe I need to use another Gmail kind of a thing. You know what? I'm complicating things. Okay, Superbase and you can say Firebase. I used Firebase before. I just want to use this one. Unlimited API requests, active users, 500 MB. I think that's fine. I have no idea what I don't know. I don't think I have to be worrying about these things. I'll skip that part for now. Well, let's keep it here and we just use this one. You can also try MongoDB. MongoDB has a backend. Has a REST API support as well. New project and organization. It should be AWS. Oh, sorry, Amazon Auto. Let's say Amazon Auto database password. I don't know. Generate one, please. I'll just note down it somewhere. Region. Anything is fine. Are you sure we want to use US East? Do we have like Indian servers? Maybe that would be much better because most of my audience would be from that place. So, oh, advanced configuration, security. Oh, yep, save. Okay, and what else? Amazon Auto tables. Okay. Oh, how can I connect it? How can I connect my application to this one? App frameworks. I would like to use a React application, please. Oh, it's showing me everything, I guess. Maybe I have to do that in a separate window. One second. I do see this. So that's fine. Create client and then await super base from to do select. Hey, that's cool, dude. No issues. Oh, it's a Next.js. I don't want Next.js. I would like to have like simple. This is doable then. Cool. I'm sorry. I was just noting down my API tokens and etc. So that's why I didn't want to do that in the stream. So I got the tokens. So all I have to do is just okay. Let's see what it does. You can also it has a REST API support as well. You could also do Next plus. I'm not going to do Next.js. I would be sticking with React because I already have a working setup with it. There is no purpose for me to use it. I know those are public tokens anyway. Really? So like what? Anyone can use my database? Okay. So now what? So switch it to React, please. And then I might need to uninstall some stuff. 1 second, please. Okay, so far so good. Yes, those will be sent on the into the okay. Else, how would the React access to the database? I understand tokens. I'm not that stupid. I'm saying if there are public, that means there is no token or something. It's just the key. So imagine I have my application. Of course, I need that token or API key to connect to it. But if that key is public, that means you can also access it. So what is the security then? Should I pass a header or something? So only I can access it? Or maybe it's the front end, that's why they are assuming that everyone should access it. At least read. Oh, interesting. Okay, looks like we have to learn some stuff then. Public, I have no clue what the purpose of this is. And then comes this one. Honestly, I kind of forgot what I'm supposed to do. Okay, npm start. Oh, npm install. Sorry. What's wrong? Wheat? Uh, this would work, maybe. This is the home deal, and this one is the deals. There is a lot of things to do. Okay, so where's the index app.tx? Logs, guides, database, Postgres, row level security. Database row level security. What happened to my typing? Okay, so this is the one you're talking about. Superbase allows convenient and secure data access from the browser as long as you enable row level security. Row level security must always be enabled on any table stored in the expose schema. By default, this is public schema. RLS is enabled by default on tables created with the table editor in the dashboard. If you create one in row SQL or with the SQL editor, remember to enable this. Okay, is incredible. You can I not send entire website in YouTube chat? I don't know. Even though I have disabled the entire moderation for links, it still does it. RLS is incredibly powerful and flexible, allowing you to write complex SQL queries that fit your unique business models. RLS can be combined with Superbase Auth for end-to-end user security. Can view their own to-dos on to-dos for select. Okay, using okay. I would translate to this whether a user tries to select a different policies implicitly add select from all. Okay, that means I can create policies that users can access these rows and these database. Alter table name, but I really wanted to do like a hmm. I need something. Cool. I gotta study about this much more then. I did use Firebase before. Then this is not, and we had a backend. Hey, how can I close this, man? I accidentally opened it. Okay, cool. Where is the index.ts main.tsx? Okay. By default, I would like that to be this one. And this should be app for, let's say, admin. Okay, and it should go to the deals page. Obviously, oh, unexpected application error. Hey, developer, you can provide a way better UX than this when your app throws an error. Okay, obvious. So now let's connect to our Superbase. Okay, let's create like, is it env? Is this the env? Oh, it's v something. Where should I place the env? Is it this one, vdm? Probably this is not the one. So let's create a new one. Don't I have like those? Why didn't it recognize these? Okay, anyways. Okay, I got the files. Then what? Might need to create something. Then utils superbase ts. Yeah, okay. What is the package name that I'm supposed to install? Superbase.js. React Superbase JS npm. Dude, I'm looking for the okay. Create app, then install Superbase. Okay, this is the one. Oh, let me open the chat. Nope, I'm exactly on that. I'm exactly on that link. So I was expecting a npm install command right here, but looks like it's not there. So I had to scroll down. Then I saw it. So far, so good. So we must build it again so that it works fine. Why would it crash? What's the problem? Admin element app. Yes, that's what I wanted. Would it not work like that or something? There is no deals path. Oh, maybe I'm refreshing that. Yeah, okay, this is not what I want. Okay, this is. Oh, when the moment I press this, it would open that one. Yeah, okay, I can forget about it. So, no API token provided. Please set the API token. Where is it? Oh, this is that token. I can forget about it. Okay, now we have it. So, how can I just connect it? So, let me connect to my database and add a row or something. SQL editor, table editor. Can I use like a NoSQL? It would be much deals. Let's see what my backend is. So, I'll just recreate the exact same. This is the backend. And I kind of forgot my database structure. It says automation ID, hashtags, data, and two tail. Oh, this is the payload. Sorry, that's not the one. Public internals database. Okay, this is exactly how I want. Can I like copy paste or something? No. Deals database. So yeah, of course, ID is a yeah. Let's name it as a string. What I don't have string. Is it varchar or something? Okay, varchar default. I don't know. Primary, and then comes. Oh, that's the deal ID. Automation ID. That's important. So it's also string. So varchar title link. Oh, is there any easier way? It's okay. I can do this for now. Can I duplicate it? How can I duplicate this? Not okay. Title varchar. That's fine. And then link. I think I'm sure this is also. Why would you start with uppercase while creating a table? That's how. Mm, normally we would do something like this in SQL. In Oracle DB, we use this one. But if I don't use that, the backend would get confused. Hey, Jamin, welcome back. So in Golang, the things needs to be in capital letters. It's fine. I know that's not really a standard, but it's fine for my convenience because I am the only one who's working anyways. So price image, that is also a string. Product image, what is that? URL or what? Category image. So let's add that too. Discount. I don't know if I'm even using this, but let's add it. It's fine. But you have mentioned small case in JSON. So that's JSON. So what happens is Golang, if you provide a JSON as ID, automated ID, and title, it would understand that okay, this title means this capital letter title. It doesn't matter if it you can just say Ritu here, and it would know that okay, Ritu means title. If you don't provide it, it would, if you don't provide a JSON title, it would convert it as, when you finally output it as a JSON, it would have title, whatever you provided here. It's fine. Though normally the SQL standard is using snake cases, but all capitals. So I don't think that would be creating us an issue. Do you think so? And I'm fine with this. Yeah, I can understand like snake case would be much, not snake case. What case is this? It's called title case. No. Probably it's called title case. Created date, it's also a string. Camel case, yeah, sorry. Link count is an int. Yeah, let's have it as big as possible. Price, I don't know, it's a string. The rest is all strings. See how quick I am. I'm sure this is not the final. I'm going to test it anyways. So what next? Save. I don't know foreign keys, so that's it. Okay. I'm very furious looking at the table field names. I understand. I have a different way of doing things. So how would you want it? Like this? Automated link? So it's just that's how I'm used to. I don't think I have to use that. It's the table names. The data, how we'll have to see how it is. So let's say I will insert a row now. So deal ID, I don't know. Automation ID, varchar. Title, Ritu. Parna. Link, I don't know. I'll just provide my own link. Affiliate link, you also do. I'll also provide mine. It's a varchar, so $250. Product image, I don't know. 3 image links. Just to see if I have like valid image information. Does it work or not? Testing. Discount, I don't know, 20%. Price, I don't know, 250% like dollars something. Link count, I don't know. Created at October 29th. Okay, timestamp. Now timestamp. What is the other version? The Unix version, where is it? Unix version of timestamp. Unix timestamp. Is this Unix? I thought that would start with a bigger number than this. Okay. Fine. Press save. I think I have all the rows now. Okay, I got the rows. So now let's pull this in from the site and see if I can read this properly. Then the front end and the database is connected. Okay, add deal. Where is the deals? Deals. So load deals from the endpoint. So this is what I need to do. Export const superbase URLs. So let's have it something. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, and I have to provide a key and something. That's in seconds. Bigger numbers in the milliseconds. What is the one which has like a string inside it? But I think Unix is fine. I can maintain it for a easy conversion. I'll use this one. So I have a row. I think it gave me some, yeah, async function. This is how I would like to do it, maybe. ISO timestamp, not a Unix. Sorry. Some things I just don't remember much often. Don't hate me, please. Okay, so URLs I would need. So all I'm doing is just getting the deals. That's it. Now don't change all those. Suppose everything else remains the same. It's just the deals. What do they want me to do here? This is the backend. Sorry. Okay, inside deals, we create or load deals. This is the function get instruments. Let's say get deals and superbase. I think I have it already. And then from deals, select. Oh, this is the final data. Nice, nice, nice. I'm just too scared, so I'll comment it for now. I might need to type it properly. Do I not have a type? How can I type it? Postgres singleton response. Okay, this is how it returns. It's not assignable to. Okay, I understand. I understand now. Just for some sake, see what is the type of data we get, and then we can proceed to call the function. How are we supposed to call it? Oh, we need to create this. I'm just practicing for now, so don't hate on me, please. What do I have? It says Anakin key. Okay. Oh, there are two kinds of keys then. That's what I was asking about. There is a publishable key and there is and you have already done create client. I didn't. What is this one then? Oh, do I already have it? Okay. Sorry, my bad. I don't need this then. So Superbase, I'm exporting this. Nice then. So I already have the Superbase connection. So null. So probably the table name is wrong. So let me see what I have. It's deals. Maybe I need to provide deals. I got an array, but I didn't get any data. So probably the row level security or whatever it is, it's wrong. Okay, policies. Where can I create policies? Make everything public for now. I would like to learn it, please. Schema is public. Schema public. And then how can should I create a policy for this? View policies, yes. Probably there won't be any. Create policy. And what is it? Select, yes. Policies are combined with, okay. Deals. Policy name. Get all deals. Default to all users, okay. Create policy, get all or public deals, passive, select or what. Provide a SQL expression for using the statement. Select. That's it. I don't know if that's the right one. I didn't really understand it. Save. That works, then I'm fine. Hey, I think I got the data. Hey, look at it. So it's basically an array of data then, so that's fine. I'm setting the deals, then why is it not populating? Probably each tile should have its own key. Don't we have a deal ID? And use that damn thing. The deals, or where am I using deals? After that, load deals, trigger delete deal. I'm not doing that from the admin panel. Oh, so this page was meant to be an admin. Okay, so what is the best way to do it? In a single React app, how can I have two sections? Admin section with few pages and user section with other pages. Here you go. This is why I asked you to use the fields. That's not the problem. It's working fine. Oh, probably it's getting the capitals. Oh, okay. But how would I upload? Makes sense. Thing, it's fine. Sometimes it's fine. So where is the tables database? Is it the one? Where's the UI? Edit table, yes. It's fine, don't hate on me. Come on, dude, go easy on me, please. Title, that's fine. And then link L. Affiliate, delete A. Just ID, not deal ID. I'm using deal ID. I know that my code is also using deal ID. Oh yeah, in Golang code I used ID. Yes, 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 yes. I'm sure. Let me just confirm. Where is it? Database. Wait. Yeah, I was thinking. Yeah, that's fine. You're right. You're right. You're right. Price, product, category. Don't hate on me. Div discount, price, link, whatever it is. Create. Yes, please. Save. Waiting tables. Do it quickly. It's fine, bro. It's fine. Is it? Does it? Probably it has to run a bunch of SQL queries to do this. Okay. Oh yeah, ID. Yep, you are right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Okay, now it's done. Let's see the UI. Refresh. Okay. I think I'm supposed to send another image instead of this one. Price image, product image. What is the image I'm using? Product image. Don't I have it? Looks like this image would not load. Rituparna. Yeah, that's the example I had. So yeah, so that means it's easy to pull in data from Superbase. You have my respects, Rituparna. Respect. I don't think I set up the voice commands that quickly, so let me just set it up right now. I would really like it. Oh, it's Rituparna, not Ritu space Parna. I understand when someone butchers my name, I would, hey, you got 140 points. Why wouldn't you guys not use the commands I have? You muted? No, I'm good. Hello, Mike. I can see my voice going up and down. Respect. Respect. Recognized. How can I copy it? Windows. Can I copy it, please? Just to see if it works. I think it's working. Okay. The other one is thanks, I guess. Respect. Okay, you guys hear the sound, so that means it's fine. I'll just decrease it a bit. Thanks. 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 I need to train my voice assistant so that it can understand what I'm saying. It taking it as thanks, not thanks. Thank you. I understand. This time I'm going to do it. No worries. Thank you. Come on, dude. Thank you. Okay, this works fine. I would like to use it. Others, voice attack action, no. Run an application, use the damn streamer board, and just say this one. I guess that's working fine. Okay, cool. Saved, done. I don't know if I have it saved. Okay, everything is working fine now. So let's move back to coding. Okay, yeah. I'm done. I'm done. What is the thing you want to say? How can I modify this row? Ritu Parna to myself. Oh boy, did it save? Myself. Okay, looks like it's saved now. And now I will just do a refresh, and you should be happy. Say, so I can pull the data from the front end now. It's directly. So this is a critical change. So we might need to do this. Context very simple. Guards in require auth. In the admin panels, we need to do this one. And then layouts, we need to do this one. Pages. Got it. What is the difference? It's Rituparna. There is no gap. Sorry to butcher your name. I truly understand. So mine, I understand people when break off my name. I understand. No worries. So yeah. So let's go with this approach. Obviously, I thought about it. So we need to create app, admin, and auth. Pages. What was the style? What it's using like all these. Okay. So we can have admin. Oh, it's not valid as a file because please choose. Why? Host users. So whatever we have right now, those all go sit in host. I don't know what is that one. Okay, cool. And whatever the deals inside deals I have. Ask ChatGPT to give a bash command to create the directory structure. Yep, that's true. I have Copilot as well. It's been a while. I have done this. So host pages users. So now users will have a deals page. Okay, and then and now what the host is there, the user is there. So I would need an authenticator. Why would I need an authenticator? Role routes. Do I have a routes.tx? No. Index.tx, app.tx. Maybe app.tx is the whole thing I have. Damn it. Do you have use Premium? Yeah, Copilot Pro? I think not the ultimate one, the one with like $10 per month. I use it for work as well, so it works fine. This goes into host. Move. Give me a change this code so that my app now defaults to users directory pages, but if I want to switch to admin, I will have to enter a password, and once backend sends something, it should allow me to access admin pages. Move to the routing logic to the main TS to the router.tx. Yep. What? Okay. I was not logging into. Okay, nice. VS Code, that's done, I guess. So I was thinking maybe it's a simple thing, so that's why I had it here. We'll see if it's that big, then we can move to the different file. Okay. Admin route. Where is this file? Is it? Oh, did it create it now? Okay. Create browser routes. Browser route provider. What's the error here? There are two. Yeah, just go ahead, man. Use all your tokens. I don't mind. This thing is not valid. So let's see what's happening here in my pages now. Okay, so probably the CSS is missing. Oh, did I have all my CSS in here? I don't think so. This is the problem. Okay, so hey, this is the right one. Fix the imports. So now which UI am I in? Which path am I in? So is admin. Okay, the moment I go into admin, login. Okay, that page is not there. Like that. I think I had a layout or something here. Maybe the layout was added in the main.ts. Yep, right here. So this needs to be changing. If this is the user route, let's say user would only have one route. So this is like admin navbar. So users will not have the route, like layout structure. That's what I'm trying to say. App.tx main. Where is the main? Stupid tx. So layout should be conditional. Layout should only be for admin pages. So if it's is admin, that's when it's going to do that. Path.element deals. Okay, keep. That's fine. That's fine. And now I'm. Hey, finally someone liked my show. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I already have my admin panel built in, but admin panel will be using my Golang server, which is self-hosted. The users are going to access the Superbase. So I would like to split the logic completely based on the layout and the UI as well. So currently the deals, this is for admin, honestly, but we can just make a copy of it. I don't know if it's user admin or this admin. So this is the host. So I would just return it back. It won't be any difference, isn't it? So we can keep it. And then for users, there is another deals page, and that's where I don't have it. User data will be saved, but there is no user data in here. Yes, I'm going to do that. So Golang will not have its own database. It's a processor. There are a lot of things needs to be done before adding to the database. The I need to select the deals. The deals needs to go to the Golang, then goes to the Python, generates a reel, the images, the text, and those information will be saved in the Superbase so that this React application can directly access from it. So I want the users to view my site even though my server might be down due to power outages or bad internet. But of course, when I want to post deals, obviously I'm going to rely on my local hosted Golang server. If you didn't understand it, ask your questions. I'm going to explain it one more time. So this is the React application. Let's say it has two sections. One is admin and one is user. Cool. So what happens is there is an Amazon page. I see certain deals which I think it's fine. I'm going to have a button. This thing's already working fine. Hey, Lucky, welcome back. I'm just doing some programming. The moment I press this button, some JSON will be sent back to my Golang server. Let's create the server first. Okay, cool. It will be coming to this Go server. It has some Python helper functions and some Node helper functions, which is going to ultimately create, let's say, another JSON. This will be stored inside Superbase. Cool. And from this Superbase, React is going to get the data directly. Okay, there is just read only, no one changes anything, no inputs, no nothing. But in the admin, it will be using this one. No one can access this admin. There is no back front end saved information. Everything is an API call. The token needs to be coming to me or my backend. It needs to verify it. If it's not going to authorize it. That's my structure. Maybe I can write it a bit better. So
Good day to you.
it's fine. I can make it understand to you guys. Do you understand what I'm trying to do? So I got most of the stuff there. It's just I need to wire things properly. I need to now also wire Golang to the Superbase as well instead of using a local database. So what do you think? Do you have any inputs? Just like the one with the capital letters in Go table names so that I can save some time. This is the approach. I think you are making it complex. It's not complex. There are two requirements. First, let me think. The main requirement is this process is resource hungry. I'm using MoviePy and all the other stuffs. I tried, but there is no free hosting platform where it can allow me to do this quickly, fastly, optimized way so that I don't have to wait in a queue. So obviously these things needs to be done locally. Cool. So I need a local server. Obviously, once the processing is done, I think I need those data to be saved in the cloud so that this system is being hosted in my laptop in India. And we know about power outages, internet issues. So this won't stay up all the time. It will only stay up when I would post some deals. Let's say if it's up, I'm going to post like 5 to 6 deals a day. Let's say, hey Paros, welcome. Did I have a high GIF or something? You got my logic. Remove admin panel from the user facing application totally. Just create a separate app that will be hosted along with your Golang. Why? It's already created. Admin panel is already created. All good? Nice. Admin panel is already created. Deals is already created. Now it's just a simple for loop. That's it. See, I have a secure way to allow admin access. I'm not going to just allow it. There is nothing stored in the front end. It's just purely backend information, sending it forward. And from the front end in the admin panel, you won't be really doing much. You just send the information. And I'm thinking to also not do that. I created an extension in the browser so that, dude, I'm not getting much about what you are saying, but I already started learning Python and C. You are new to the stream, but I'm not getting much what you are saying, but I have already started Python and see that it's fine. So I understood it two ways. Either my English is bad, or the second, you're not aware of this React and all, you're not understanding it. Which one is true? Can I host my app on my You cannot host your app on a router unless you remove the firmware which it has and converts it to a small Linux machine. Then maybe, who knows? I'm getting my message, 1 second, from my mom. Seems important. What are these? I'll be back. I'll just take a piece and come. I think he means self-host on a laptop, and I don't think Paras is aware of all those. I don't think he's talking about that. I'm sure about it. I'm missing something. Okay, my specs. I was like, it looks odd. Now it looks familiar. Okay, so you have any concerns with this, Rituparna? Okay, so there are two kinds of Ds. I don't think that I truly need it. But let's name it as, this is users. So whatever we have here, that needs to be here, and in the host, let's demo it for now. We are not dealing with that. Nope. Cool then. Thanks for 2 likes, whoever did it. Thank you so much. Yeah, that should be easy, I guess. This weekend I'll hold my Next.js project on it. Host my Next.js project on it. No, lol. I definitely meant using it as a computing power. I mean, it should have some. It can, but the thing is, to host your React or Node.js, whatever it is, you need an operating system. But routers doesn't is not really an operating system. It's an IT device where it's most like a BIOS system. I mean, one thing is really impressive is it can host a web page. That's truly possible because it's hosting that admin panel. So yeah, if you can flash it, then sure. Most of them are using Linux. Some of them are using DOS. I think Nokia routers used MS-DOS or something like those. Yeah, if you can flash your own operating system in it, then yeah, sure. Why not? It has a power to merge all our data into one machine and then send it to different places. It can definitely host. Did I miss something here? Oh yeah, okay. So this should be user host. Everything's cool. Admin panel, I'll work on it later. So now let's connect the two sides of the application to the other one. So this is how it looks for now. Where is it? So far, fine. So now let's go to the Golang. Open your router and look for the you're at pins and connected with the serial console. You'll boot into a Linux shell. It's doable, but we must know the brand name so that we can also search it. 1 second, sweet people. Ah, I have to look close then. It's like a Tinder, but not enough context. It's 6 years old. Does it even have a gigabit or does it have like 100 MPS max? Okay, what am I? Okay, I need to revive my Go server to use the backend which this one has. So Amazon React Connect URL URI. Primary database direct connection. Yep. Now I understand. Okay. Not I use session pooler if what? What is this one? Use session provider if the IP if on an IPv4 network or purchase IPv4 purchase. Oh, is unavailable on a free plan. Okay. What does that mean? I cannot connect it. How about URL? Okay, maybe this. Oh, even this is not. Transition ideal for status application like serverless, where each transaction with refund isolated. Session pool only recommended on an alternate to direction when connecting. Okay, maybe this one. I never really tried it, Paras. We are looks like we are changing our database. Nice. I would need. Let's say this is the function. Let's add it so that I. Ah, come on. Oh, which one did I press? Okay. Connect database URL. And where is the password? See, there is an architecture difference. That's truly what Rituparna is mentioning. I'm sure it would be some weird things. So most generic. I think C C++ would work. Here comes the hype. Where is the user inside this? Connection, connect background os dot get database URL. Is this the URL? No, this doesn't seem like a URL at all. Context dot background. This is the database URL. But where would I provide the password for my database? How it's going to connect it? Let's see this as an example. We see Node.js, install this one, connection string, database. Oh, but this doesn't seem like a database URL. That seem fine for you guys. Host equals to URL. Oh, this is the URL. Then where? That means do I have to? Isn't that the names are different then? In the env it says to name it as host, but obviously in the os.get env it says like database URL. But I don't see database URL here. But if I switch to Node, let's say, so we can see database URL, database URL. Doesn't make sense to me. Host. Maybe it would automatically pick those information, like from context background, something happens. Create it accordingly as displayed in the node section. Looks like it. But I'm still curious. Maybe, yeah, maybe this is wrong. It's just we have to use a URL then. Yeah, maybe, yeah, I will just use an URL. That's it. I don't know. Yeah, I have the ANV access. Thank God. Okay. Okay, that has been added. Why is this being visible? I don't even remember what is this one. Oh, it's I have no recollection. What is this? Golang is super cool. We don't need a .NET. We have a .env right here. See? You know what? Let me open this env in another window. That would be much more user friendly for me. You didn't fall for this trap. Why? Are you guys talking about an inside joke which I don't know? This is a connection. Okay, and then we have to provide the password. Let me do that in 1 second now. I don't remember my password honestly. I think I have it. This is the one. I'm setting my password, people. 1 second. Hey Manish. Welcome, bro. Welcome. I would never. I am a C fanboy. So maybe you guys don't have. Last week I went on my how to replace C++ blocks with Rust. I agreed I'm a pro manipulator. The biggest manipulation I had from was Harshit Reddy, who wanted me to use Fedora. No, not really a bad experience, but there were a lot of issues compared to Kubuntu or Ubuntu. Head of department electronics. Welcome to the stream, Manish. We are doing something. If you want to know, this is what we are doing. Ishkow. I don't know if you can understand it. Why did I mute my music? The ambient music. Okay, what I was doing, okay, we have the NV files, that's fine. So we have to basically connect it to this version. Are you on it? No. If you're asking me, no. If you're asking Paras, looks like it. The best guess. I have the connection and then example query. This thing needs to replace this with the with the pgx db. I don't know if it understands it, but let's give it some time. In the meantime, I can just spin up this one. Oh, air is not installed. Let me install that. Go air. No. Go air. I don't know if it did a good job, but it looks like it. So I'm going to blindly go ahead and keep it. This saved a lot. This saved us a lot of time, man. Looks like it's downloading all the stuff it's need. Paras might be building a satellite communication or something. Paras, isn't that you? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Come on, man. Can you play? Yep. Paras build. I think this is you, right? My grad is in ECE, but I mostly do CS and blockchain. Embedded is where I roll, but yeah, implementing a risk process. Damn. Who is this then? It's Paras builds. Come on, man. This is you. Hey, that's you. Good morning. Maybe yeah, Paras Sharma. Dude, don't lie. That's you. Let's see if you updated anything. Paras builds. Tech. Oh. Database is connected now. We can try it. It might have to install a bunch of things. Oh, temple. I don't need all those temples code. for applying the same for internship. Sem 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So third year, first semester. Oh, still in uni. Yeah, looks like that guy is still in uni. Fail to connect user. Ding ding. Database ding. Where is the error coming from? Fail to connect the database. Which file? Database.go. Oh, this is the main function. Where is it? I'm sure that's the damn main function. Oh, failed to connect to the database. Database URL. Maybe this is not working. I refuse to connect it. Probably I need to make some changes inside here so that it can let me connect it. How can I sign in and providers allow users to sign up now? Sessions. You guys are talking to yourself? No problem. URL configuration, site URL, redirect URL. Okay. API docs. Connect the URL node.js. Let's change it to something like this. Nothing. I don't see anything's changed apart from this one. Okay, that's fine. Fail to connect to the database. Fail to connect to user. Maybe. What is my user information? We have parameters. User equals to this one. Okay. Oh, that's my user. Okay. Then why does it say something else? Target machine refused it. I have no clue what's happening though. Yeah, that's fine. I didn't have any word with this conda at all. But how would it know my user? I didn't provide it anywhere. Did I provide it here? This is like output login. Okay, that was helpful. So now how can I allow it to, authentication? This is just users, I guess. Connect app frameworks. Yeah, I guess. But mine is Conda PC, not Conda. The URL doesn't even have it. So URL has no word as Conda. So I'm not sure, man. Even here I didn't mention anything. What is this V? Does it mean something? The port? The port is 4. Yeah, that's the port. I might need to Google it. Real time project overview, project settings. Maybe. Why would it connect to localhost? In any DB server. This is the backend. The backend needs to just connect to the super base and post data inside it. That's it. Maybe I might need to set it something here. Oh, okay. Add restrictions. Let's for now add it. Let allow anything, so that I know that if it's working, I can just modify it later. Okay. No, instead of get env hardcode the URL. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it should be getting it. Let me try doing it then. Let me try doing it. No, I hard coded this entire URL. No luck. It's not working. So probably I might use something which they showed here in the Golang section. They are specific about using something else. So whatever this is, there is no such thing as database URL in the. Let's go with their things and like try using it. There's no such thing. There is user here and there is password. But the problem is there would definitely be an error, because you can see os.getEnv database URL. It's trying to fetch that, but we can see there is no URL at all provided in here. So I have no clue if it's going to work or not. I might just do it, dude, honestly. There's the host part, yes. But see, look at the basic syntax. os.getEnv database URL. I do not have it. So from where will it get it? The library will construct the URL. That's madness. Okay, if that's what it's going to do it. But I did ask you this question before. You said that's not how it works. Still not working. So I have the. So this is what I have. I have the user. I have the password. Post. Port. DB name. Should I change it to something else? New lines. I don't think that would be causing the issue. Yep, I have it on the new lines. We can see. Let's test it now. Database.go, fail to connect to the database. Ding ding ding. User, where is it even getting that information from? See, my username is this. So looks like it's populating something. It's doing something. The code. What is it doing? So connect. Connection string, parse config options. So doesn't have anything in here which says like host or username. It's looking for this one. Else, if it has else, it's going to do something. This configuration string database. I don't think the env is the proper one, dude. This is a URI. How can I access this using an URI in the? Oh, it's already 12:12, man. Are running things in on local. Yeah, hey, Amrit Par. Looks like you're watching, but you're not. You're only interested in the typical conversation. So yeah, I did allow 0, 0, 0, 0. So I was expecting that to work. So Golang primary database session pooler. Yes, I installed this one. This is exactly what I have. It says OS get env database URL. There is no such thing in here. So that's why I picked the other one. I picked whatever we have inside Node.js. Database URL. This looks perfect. Connect post. What? See, if I use this URL, then obviously it has Postgres. I did it. I did that too. I did hard code the entire URL. Even the same error. I think that there is something else missing. See, I have hard coded it. That's not fix. That didn't fix anything. So maybe. You know what? Let's just trust what it's suggesting, and we'll see if that works or not. If it works, I'm going to kill myself. Don't take a screenshot, stupid. No luck, it's not working. What's the issue? Database URL, have it. Let's go. Oh, back to Windows. Yes, things where things just work out of the box. This is the only operating system. Network restrictions. You can see I'm not adding anything. Allow all access. Confirm. Maybe this would fix some things. Long back. It's been. Hey, it's not that long. Probably this week. If I enable all things. The problem is not with the database server, doesn't change configs there. Your program is trying to connect to localhost. Why would it connect to localhost then? Let's see if it's actually updating or not. Wait a minute, I didn't get localhost 79. Where is 79? Where is 79, 79, 79, 79? Right here. Oh, this is something else. Oh, that's true. This is not the real main function. Cool. So in 79, all of this to do again after Superbase closes your project for 90 days of inactivity. I mean, that's important information. If would I known that earlier, I would have tried something else. So database connection. Yes. So fmt dot print ln connecting to Superbase database. I did type A. I don't know why it didn't pop up there. I don't see the print connecting to the database. I don't think this program is working fine or expected or something like that. So database go 63. This is the 63. If it did reach this point, then why wouldn't it print this one? Maybe it's pointing to old code or something. How can I change it? What's happening here in the internals.database connection? This is what it's going to be called. I have this print statement. Maybe it's printing in the output. Oh, the output is fine. The output does have the connecting to Superbase. Yep, that's fine. It is calling the code. You know what? I give up. Something stupid happening and I don't know. Let's just trust it works. Int 3. What's int 3? Postgres. Yes. That's exactly what I did. Just for this trial, I'm going to print the OS, whatever this is, just to see what exactly we are getting. I'll run this in another terminal just to make sure I don't reveal too much stuff. Oh, wait a minute. Database underscore URL. Hey. I didn't have OS context. Where is the damn env? Oh, go. This is what it needs. This is what it needs. Not the other one. My problem, guys. Don't worry. env.load. This is what it needs. This is what it needs. So database.go. Database connection. Just do this. Offload, and then where can I get this? Where is the env? How am I even reading from env? Using GitHub import. In 3 is CPU input. Interrupt. Start a debugger using GitHub import. Unsafe. I mean, Those are the what even the official documentation also provided. Yes, PGX. Yes, that's the what Superbase wants me to use. Hey, where is it, man? Okay, this is the env. How am I even using it? Maybe I'm not using it in this one. Let's see. No, these are all old ones. History. Middleware. Where is the middleware? Probably there would be something here. Oh, that's it? Okay, okay, cool. Just have to load this and follow something, I guess. env load has failed. As long as you have a .sum file in the GitHub import, you should be fine, right? Hey, welcome to the stream, Isaac. I'm going to call you Isaac. Show my face. This is Blazing Bane. I code as well as play games. Yeah. If you only want to stick to coding, so I'll keep my mouth shut. Back to gaming. Now it shall definitely work. It didn't work yet. What is the output? Where is the output? I had output. Okay, I'm getting that. I am getting the string this time. I'm definitely getting the string. So I'm getting, it's the same error, but I'm let me remove the password from this. So this is the output. You can see the database URL is being fetched. Error is still here. But why does it have this equal to? Is it how it works? Is it so connecting to Superbase? Have fun at your school, Paras. It says connecting to the Superbase. Let me stand up, man. I have been sitting for like what? Almost 2 hours. Let me stand. Any brilliant ideas? No, shouldn't have. Yeah, looks like it. So maybe. Oh, 1 second. I think I am doing it somewhere here. If this is working, then why wouldn't it that? Maybe I'm using a different one here. Yeah, that's the same function, no difference. So if this is working, this is not. Where else I'm using it? I'm just directly loading them, so it should be working fine for me. But if the print is doing that, so obviously this will also do it. So let's say URL equals to os.get. Let's have it here. Let's see what is the URL is being printed. No, it doesn't. I'm sure it doesn't. No, it doesn't have it. Oh, honestly, you're right. It has it. It has it. It has it. Sorry. My bad. It has it. Yeah, it has two database URL. Maybe I have done some copy paste mistakes. What's happening to me, man? Yeah, it has two. It has two. Okay, it's okay. Relax. Mistakes happen. As I'm streaming, I don't really have the environments directly viewable for me, so I have to open it and check it twice. But thanks for your advice. You are a. I did a lot of debugging too, man. Sometimes you can't debug your own code. Let's see. Oh, I'm running the command now. Sounds promising. Yeah, no errors so far. No errors. I don't see any errors, but I don't see anything too. So oh, I don't know if it can do that. I don't know if it can do that. It did. Counter deals, and we can see it has this one columns. It has deals JSON and deal ID. Oh, actually, this is the valid. Yep, this is the valid one. Okay, so everything is here. Fine. So I'm going to delete my previous database as it's not needed now. I know what I was doing. Don't worry. The deals. And what other columns does it have? It has things in small letters. That's fine. Inside the front end, where's the damn deals? Go here and from this one. That's fine. Now things should work fine. This thing will work fine now. So there would not be any changes needed. If the connection is working, then rest of the things would work fine, isn't it? I'm storing the connection in the DB, so that means it would stay there. I'm not closing it anytime soon. Let it open. You don't need to hide it really. You can change it. I'm too lazy for that. I know my skills. Just too lazy.
Good day
if
to
it's up,
you.
I'm not going to bend myself. I'll be standing straight, upright. If I keep it a little bit left, do you guys still hear the same? Or do I have to turn around and talk like this? So let's deal with the Python stuff now. So Golang is fine, it's working fine. Let's go with Python. We open this one. I have no clue what other things I'm supposed to install. This is really bad. So I'll close it. UV init. I started using UV and then not going back. Give me a UV add command for all these. It's done. Hey, that's fast. Keep it. Good. Okay, let's trigger it. UV pip add. I don't think that's a valid one. Yep, I should get a condenser mic as well. Slightly differs, but not noticeable. But is it fine though? Okay, it's adding all these. Without UV, Python's environment system is like 1990s. Why? It stores everything in a text file. Requirements.txt or something. Still doing it. So let's give it some time. No worries. Control A to go to the start of the line. I think it's added everything, so that's fine. Where's env? Do I have Python installed here? Would I have Python here? How can I create okay, it does. It looks like it does have Python here. So scripts Python, okay. Yet, but pip is also pretty good. Didn't find any problems, dude. I ruined my what do you call, a lot of projects with Django and stuff because of I messed up with pip. It's really easy to mess up. So the problem is in Node, if you see a package import Superbase, that means you can just use npm install Superbase and you will get the package. But in Python, that's not obviously the case. So there are packages named MoviePy, that means the module name is also MoviePy. But there are some packages where if you type pip install OpenCV Python headless, it would say no such package exists, because if you go to the documentation, it would be saying like OpenCV Python or something. So when you install, your module names differ from your, what is the other thing? Python, other stuff. So yeah, it was really horrible experience, I guess. I didn't like it. But once I got it, before UV, I used Poetry. Poetry worked fine until it starts to hit its limits. So if you're dealing with UI stuff, Tinker, etc., it would struggle a lot. I faced a lot of issues and I created this blog post. Sorry, my typing is too bad today. So in this blog post, I created how to handle Poetry and create an exe file in Python. Looks like 87 people has the same struggle. It worked fine, but then I started issues. But UV didn't have any issues so far. It's smooth, it works fine. It can have a customization ways so that you can install something else. In my what you call it, AI editor, there is some package dependencies. The moment I run UV run, it's installing a new drivers again. No, sorry, new package version, even though I specified to not install it. So that's why I can just install rest of the packages and I can use. How did you build your website? Is it static site? Yeah, it's Hugo. No, it's Hugo. It works fine. It's Hugo. I set a Docker dev container where I can write my blogs from anywhere. The moment I press save and commit my changes, it goes to Cloudflare, and Cloudflare is going to generate me all my static files. Super easy, works fast. You can see the site is pretty instant. Obviously, if you optimize your image as well, that would be much more good. Okay, enough of this. So this thing is fine. How can I? Yeah, MD. Damn, please explain more about the Docker thing. So let me show it to you. Parsec. Oh, where is it? Opening in my monitor. 1 second. I'll bring it. Yeah, I have a bunch of more. So this is, I know I'm connecting it to a remote desktop, so that's why the quality doesn't look that great. But yeah, this is how I write my blogs from anywhere. I use Hugo and a Docker container, dev container specifically. So you see this. This is my image. Let's close it. So you see Hugo code. So this is a dev container. I have port forwarded, used Cloudflare to allow it to access from it. It has the Node.js VS Code dev. I can give you the Docker file if you want it. So by running this container in my streaming PC, all I can do is I can now open any site in the world, anywhere from anywhere. I can just type code.blazingmain.com and I have to enter my password, and I can basically see a Visual Studio Code which allows me to edit my blocks from any laptop, from anywhere. And that's it. Oh, it's Core Server. It's the package name is Core Server. This is what helped me to basically have a VS Code in my browser so that I can write my code anywhere. How did I set it up? This code.blazingmain.com. So I have a domain which is basically blazingmain.com. So I got it from Porkban. I moved it to Cloudflare, and in Cloudflare we can tunnel it to my Docker container so that it knows that the moment I type code.blazingmain.com, I'm trying to access this VS Code dev core server, and that's where I write my block. And the simple thing is, we can just continue with my changes. Let's say I want to fix some small things. I write my code, I commit my changes. That's it. It would go ahead. That's a subdomain. code.blazingmain.com is a subdomain. Oh, I didn't tunnel it to my Docker container specifically. I have a Raspberry Pi which runs in my home, and it's the Cloudflare has like 10 to 15 other subdomains connected to the Raspberry Pi, and that's how I'm using what is the package I'm using? I'm using Caddy. This one. In fact, I wrote a blog as well. No, you don't need to have a static IP. Cloudflare will handle all those things. So you can have a dynamic IP, doesn't matter. It's just Cloudflare. There will be a Cloudflare CLI thing which you can install in your Raspberry Pi, and that will be talking to your Cloudflare. And then the game begins. You will say code.blazingmain.com. It knows that it reaches my Raspberry Pi. It knows that code dot means to point towards my Docker. So that part is done by Caddy. For some reason my keyboard is not working. Did my keyboard just die while I'm streaming? Show my face. You didn't get it, you Rituparna. I have explained it twice. Okay. I'm going to explain it one last time. So this is Cloudflare, okay? This is my Raspberry Pi. There is a Linux package which is called as Cloudflared. Maybe you didn't hear it properly. Cloudflared. If you install that in your Raspberry Pi, make sure you log in your account in it. It will now connect your Cloudflare, the Cloud one to your Raspberry Pi. So if you have a DNS here, let's say code.blazingmain.com, and you connect that to this instance of the Cloudflare which is running, that's it. They just get connected. It's not exactly similar to ngrok. You don't really authorize anything. You don't really set any URLs. It's simple. Maybe I can just show it to you in my PC. I'll just log into you one second. Back to gaming. Dude, my keyboard just died, guys. Hey, it's not working. Show my face. It was working fine until now. I don't know what went wrong. Oh, okay. Yeah, now it's working. Okay. I thought it's not working, honestly. We died out of battery. Let me connect it. Panic. I don't have money to buy a new one. Back to gaming. You understand the point now? Let me just show it to you in my Cloudflare dashboard. It's a wonderful thing. It's very easy. Of course, it needs Cloudflare and as well as the Caddy, because I host multiple different servers. So Cloudflare can only reach to your Raspberry Pi. From there, someone needs to tell it where to go. I'm just logging in. Give me a moment. No, my Raspberry Pi doesn't have a public IP. That's what I'm trying to say. Tomato, welcome to the stream. So there is let me just show it to you guys 1 second. Maybe it's just better to show it. Where is the stupid thing? They change the damn UI once a while, and I have no recollection where did I saw it. Give me 1 moment. I'll show it to you. Zero Trust. Yeah, it's called Zero Trust. I don't know how I used ngrok, but it's messy. So this is what I'm talking about. If you go to your Zero Trust in Cloudflare, you can download it, the application, and then just install it. 1 second in the networks. So you see tunnels, Cloudflare tunnels. Yes, it's called Cloudflare tunnels. So you can install this Cloudflare app or something. This is like a CLI tool, and it connects it to whatever you have. So I have multiple different instances or PCs. This is my gaming PC. This is my Raspberry Pi. You can see it's degraded, but I have to update it, I guess. But it's running for years now. I did install it back 2 years ago, and it's working. Interesting. I have my own VPS, but with limited power. So I let my RVP to do the compute, and let my public VPS does it all, the routing and tunneling. I find it much more easier than ngrok. So this is what I do. I just install it in my streaming, and it knows this is the tunnel ID. I just need to connect my Cloudflare DNS to this tunnel ID. That's it. There is no IP address, there is no port forward, there is no nothing. This has its own limitations. We cannot really use it as a media server or something. There is a speed cap of 100 or 200 Mbps, but that is much more enough for me. This is much more powerful, and this is much more user friendly. Of course, they are going to do some upgrades, but it's been a long time I have upgraded these. I can do it mine. No worries. So that's it. I hope you guys understand. I didn't even write a single line now. I can make this. You can make it anything, Amritpal. Because you are Amritpal. Respect. I don't know if it popped up in the right time. Was the timing perfect? I don't. So what was I doing? Oh yeah. What are all these videos? So these are done, isn't it? Oh, thank you. That was cool. I did use ngrok. I used some other services as well, but one Cloudflare is set, it would just keep working. Trust me, it would just keep working. It works on my stupid Raspberry Pi 02. ngrok came up with the fixed URL. I think that works fine too, but it's not like a tunnel. It's just it's like you can only access one application. But with this tunnel, I can connect my entire caddy. I use Tailscale. I use Zero VPN. I use 0VPN primarily because that gives me more speed for some reason. I use 0VPN to connect all my devices in the same network so that I can copy files from my Indian laptop to my streaming or gaming PC with the max speeds. But I don't know why with Tailscale I only get 1 or 2 megabytes of transfer. That means like 15 to 16 Mbps. But if I use zero scale, I'm getting like almost 40 to 45. I have 50 Mbps upload in India, so at max I can get 50. So I'm getting 45 ish. That's why I stick. I use Tailscale for my KVM. Zero VPN is cool too. Tailscale is also cool, but it's just I didn't get top speeds. What did I made node server and expose the post to ngrok and access anything from anywhere? Yeah, that's true. That's what Node.js, ngrok is good at. You don't really need a Cloudflare tunnel for it. Tunnel is a much more complex thing. What do you use your KVM for? A bit of backstory. I was given a desktop for work. That means it's not a laptop. I cannot work from anywhere. I have to sit in my desk. I asked for a laptop, but that didn't work out. So what I did, I got a KVM and I connected it to my desktop, work desktop, and I used Tailscale so that I can access that UI and keyboard, mouse, call stuff from a laptop or from any laptop in the world over the internet. So that it's like working in a laptop, but not exactly a laptop. That's why I use a KVM. What do you mean a KVM? KVM is like keyboard, video, and mouse. What do you say? It's like a small hardware where you connect your HDMI cable to your desktop, a USB cable to pretend as it's a if it's a mouse and keyboard. There is another cable as it mimics the headphones and microphone. So you connect those three to your desktop, and then you can connect to that KVM over the internet using your VPN, port forward, whatever you want, and you can access your desktop. It's very famous in the servers field. It is smooth. The experience is smooth. Show my face. The experience itself is really smooth, but make sure you have a really quality internet. The KVM which I have has H.264. I don't think they would come up with H.265 because that is not open source. Maybe in the future we get AV1 so that it can work better with less internet. We are not going. Yeah, it works fine. I do coding and even I do calls in Teams, so everything works fine. I was talking about dev KVM. That's not what I was referring to. Ooh. No, it's not HHH. It's a completely different hardware. It's not even virtual hardware. It's a completely different hardware. You can build your own KVMs with a Raspberry Pi, which what I did. So get a Raspberry Pi so that you can connect to your HDMI as well as the USB port. Connect it to your work machine. You just connect that. From the internet you connect it to your KVM. It's not so you need to install a KVM operating system, which is also Linux based. It's not like a Ubuntu and you do it. No, you would have a KVM specific operating systems. You can connect your physical keyboards too. So the work machine doesn't really understand what it's connected. It thinks like as if a keyboard and mouse and the monitor is connected. So that's the reason when I wake up, I would not come here and log in from my PC. I would just sit on my bed. There is a laptop right here. So I would log in from my laptop and sleep for like 10 to 15 more minutes and then continue my work. This is the world's best e-waste Chromebook, and surprisingly this works wonderful for my work machine. It's not virtual keyboard and mouse, no. Keyboard, video, and mouse, that's the full form of KVM. It's not virtual keyboard and mouse, no. I don't know exact definition. Maybe you're right at that, but we can connect the physical keyboards to it. It takes in as if my Logitech keyboard is connected. There are different, there is Pi KV. I think Pi KVM is what the operating system is. Back to gaming. Yep, KVM over IP. This is the one you guys can try. I just remember it. So you don't have to buy the exact things, but if you have a Raspberry Pi, that's it. You don't really need much more. This works fine. Two-way audio, yes. 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 This also works fine. Yes. Yes. I only got 5 likes. Come on, guys. Just I explained all this stuff. My voice is gone, and you know, I like. So yeah, that's the thing. No. You can shut down the Pi, but you cannot shut down the main PC. That needs like a physical button to press it. PIL, what does that mean? Tomato egg. What I'm saying is KVM is a hardware that interacts with the host machine, but you can connect to the KVM hardware using a mouse and keyboard and connect. It's a virtual hardware. I would say no, but yeah, we can just agree to disagree. You guys can try this. This works wonders. If you want, you can just buy a ready-made product, something like this. It's just expensive, but trust me, there are other tools which are much more expensive. This mine cost $80, and I'm using almost 1000% of what it's. No, I like you have show my face. Do you have a shadow? Oh, that's what you're talking. No, I don't have it. I was thinking, because the thing is, I was trying to use this KVM setup from somewhere, and there was a power outage. Now how can I restart my work machine, because I need to press that damn button? So I had to call my roommate, hey, can you turn on that machine? And he came to turn on. That's when I realized I need to invest in a fingerbot, you know, something like this. These kinds of things. So I need to get one of these so that I can remotely power press the stupid button in my PC. But there is a hardware too. If you can get that, but you need to open the desktop and connect to that BIOS pins. I don't know what those are called. IPMI? What you need? IPMI? What if the bot dies? What bot? Oh, this voice commenting? I don't know. If it dies, it dies. I can just revive it. So it's self-healing. If it crashes something, it will restart by itself. Of course, my Raspberry Pi needs to stay up all the time. Oh, fingerbot. If it dies, then I'm screwed. I need to call someone to physically press the button. But I won't generally use this outside of my room. I would just be lazy in the first hour and I would just sit on the bed and work. That's it. Sometimes I just use it while moving to another state. If fingerbot dies, then yeah, I'm screwed. If no one in the house, then there is no one to press that damn button. But it only happens if there is a power outage. It's rarely. IPMI, what are... Oh. It's a set of computer interface specifications for an autonomous computer subsystem that provides management and monitoring capabilities independent of the host system. Defines a set of interface used by... This is much more low level from me, man. I don't really know much of these. So, I don't know. I have no idea. I'm not going to go over all these. I don't have much low level language knowledge or even much deep hardware, but I just don't know how to make things work. Oh, you're taking it. I don't need a fingerboard. I need an IPMI, but I cannot open my box. Power on PC. How can I do this? Wait. I don't know if this my work machine has it. Okay. My streaming PC has it. I don't know if that was the right name is it, but if the power goes on out and then if the power comes back, it's going to restart by itself. But I don't have that feature in my work machine. I wish I had it, but no. I would have to look into this, man. Does laptops have this feature? So that I can turn on my laptop in India, which is also acting as a server, if there is a power outage and it eventually dies out of battery. When I plug it back, it needs to turn on. That means my laptop still needs to stay in a sleep mode in order for that to work. Yeah, but this feature is helpful, but it would take much more. Oh, I totally forgot what I'm supposed to do. Who is this new guy? Boomer. Are you not in India now? No. That's the reason I have a different time zone. Welcome to the stream, Boomer. Show my face. Main, blazing main. This is what. Hey, it's almost 1 a.m. Okay, I'm stopping the stream. I have to go to sleep. Hey. Is there any last words, people? Hey, what was the command to use the Python version which we have inside here? 6 in the morning here. What? That's not 6 in the morning. Back to gaming. It's almost 10:30. Oh, you are in a different time zone, I guess, Ritu Parna. There should be shutdown. Make sure you hate my stream that much, so that you want to what? Turn off my PC. Are you not using the X? I am using X. I'm using it. Not too much active in it, but yeah, I'm still using it. I don't really post much, but I just use it. This is my X. Not my X relation, but X platform. I hate the name X, man. You can call me Ritu. Okay, guys, can we pump up the likes to 10 at least so I can go to sleep happily? See you later then. I was wondering why this guy plays and streams at 6 in the morning. That's me. I knew the reason, that's the reason most people would not watch me, because there is a different time zone issues. That's why I'm trying my best to use AI editors so that I can post much more content for you guys to watch, even after the stream. That's what I would do now. Let's give me 1 minute. This is how I have to start my bot, the AI editor. I have to go to the coding session, a stream assistant, video processor. I need to do open terminal. I forgot how to turn this on. Okay, this one and .venv. Come on, dude. And then scripts, activate something, and then python main.py. I tagged you, but you didn't watch it. I don't. The problem is I'm not getting any notification or something. See? I guess you didn't tag me. Maybe it's in the mentions. No. I have notifications turned on. There is nothing wrong with that. Man, I'm not really enjoying the content I'm getting in X. I truly hate these kinds of discussions. I like some memes are fine, but I truly hate some questions people would just normally ask. You know, some stupid stuff, JavaScript, already like dead end jokes they would try to do that so that they can get some more likes and viewers. Luckily, I'm not getting that many too often. I'm just saying, are you active in LinkedIn? Not really. I hate that platform. I uninstalled it like 2 years ago. It is not today, maybe. Then how can I see it? Actually, I'm seeing much better posts now. Previously, I was seeing like bullshit posts. I'm closing all these terminals. I'm losing my track. TS coding is cool. No, I truly hated it, man. I wanted to uninstall the app the moment I saw those, but looks like I'm not seeing those too often these days, so that's good. That's good. Yeah, these are fine. These are fine. Can you post good resource tests to learn Go? I'm
At
I'm
Kishorigo.8806
an honest
says,
man, Manish.
hey.
I didn't really use resources. I would just start building the tools I wanted to build and then learn by the flow. But the moment I see something new, why is it being doing in this way? I would go to the docs or I ask ChatGPT like, hey, why is we need to provide a capital case in Golang to use that function? Then it explains me that in Go we do not have private and public. We use capital
At
cases to identify
good night,
private
brother.
and public. Good night. Have a good sleep. I know you're supposed to just wake up, but yeah, good sleep. The stupid token got expired. Oh, these many things I have. And go to the whoa. So you woke up early or you didn't just leave every time? Token expired, just delete it, dude. Would you be able to work in that case? I wouldn't be able to work, man. Impressive. For me, sleep is really important. If I didn't sleep properly, I would be like clueless. They highlighted this, so I accidentally pressed that. Muscle memory or something. Let's use high power for now so that finishes my videos. So it's going to edit all my videos which I did. I can work. Flexing. Alright, smart folks, I would have to wrap up now. It's almost 1. I have to go to sleep. Tomorrow is not Friday, it's Thursday, so one more day for weekend. I actually thought today is Friday so that I can stay up late, but
At Benki Kum says, Dinka chika donka donka dinka dinka manka nanksa panka tanka lunka hanka tanka wonka panka bonka danga danga danga
Have
pom
fun.
pom pom jinga jinga
Have
longa
fun, my
linga
guy,
longa
have
pinga
fun.
hinga.
Alright, bye bye. If anyone's watching, just press that 2 likes so that I can get to 10. Manish, I have started a Telugu channel if you're interested. It's Blazing Bane Telugu. Very unique. Use a female. I would not, man. Pride. My ancestors would kill me. There's not. Oh, you're not really a. I'm not really posting much. It's like a vertical daily shots. So it's let me just show it. Why am I opening this? This is the problem with using 2 different mouses, one for gaming and one for routine stuff. We use the touch. We lose the sensitivity. Hey, 10 people are watching. That's nice. I wish I can stream a little bit more. Hey, thank you, Manish. Thank you so much. I'm still trying to do something. So we'll see if I can grow some community in Telugu as well, if possible. Alright, folks. The AI is trying to edit my videos. They should be posted to YouTube as quick as possible. If something happens, I can do it tomorrow. No worries. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.